In this lecture, we're going to change the outline graphics. Now, here is the outline graphics inside of the assets.exe assets, and it says outline, and we have the 1x, 2x, and 3x resolutions. Now, if you're not sure what that is, you can go back in the simulator, and whenever you press the tools, the first time you press it, these are going to have the default ones, which is the outline. So you don't see them right now because we've already loaded it, but if you remove the app, and I'm going to show you how to do that by clicking in the bottom left corner and hold this. So click on the app and hold it, and now you can actually click on the cross to remove it. All right, so no, that's how you would do that, and then you can always press play again. Now, another way to do it is to come back to the simulator and click on simulator and then reset content and settings, and this will remove all the apps installed on your iPhone simulator. Okay, so this might take a minute or so, but no, that's how you do that. All right, so I'm going to change the outline. I'm going to right click and do show in Finder, and here it is. Now I'm going to take the outline at 3x, so the highest resolution, and open it with any image editor. I'm going to use Photoshop here, and I'm going to change that. Now, one of the best ways to change this and to add is to add a robot that we've already created and modify it. Now, it happens that we've already done the app icon, so we can easily reuse the app icon as the default ones, and the app icon is inside of the iMessage app icon. Here it is, and I'm going to reuse this one. So I'm going to right click and do open with Adobe Photoshop, and I'm just going to take the part that I need. So I'm going to unlock the layer in the bottom right. Okay, so I remove the lock. I'm going to select the magic wand and select the orange color and press on delete to remove it, and here as well in the corners. All right, and now I'm going to take Command A to select all and Command C to copy, and go to the outline and paste it here. Command V to paste. Now it's way too big, so Command T for the transform, and I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, so I'm going to take a corner and make it smaller. All right, so this will do. I'm going to center that. Okay, and press enter once it's done. Okay, I'm like totally zoomed in. That's okay. And what I want to do now is remove the house in the background by removing the layer, and I need to change that so that it looks more like it's an outline. So I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to add a color overlay, as you can see. So I click on color overlay, and I'm going to select a black color, or like in the grayish area. Okay, but obviously it's going to be harder to see, but that's okay. I'm going to show you how to make it more visible by increasing the opacity. Okay, and I want to add also, you could add a pattern overlay, so it looks more like it's a default one, and you can also change the opacity here if you want as well, so that it's not as much. There we go. So it looks more like it's temporary. And what I also want to do is add a contour, which is also a stroke. So I'm going to go and select the stroke, and I'm going to change the color of the stroke to white. All right, and I'm going to just make it 3 pixels. Okay, now I can see that I didn't do a great cut, so there's some extra stuff here, but that's okay. I can easily remove it by just selecting this and press on delete. Same here, removed, and right here, and we should be good to go. Okay, I'm not doing a perfect job, but it's just because I don't want to waste too much of your time. There we go, that will do. Now I'm going to save this, but before I do so, I need to merge all the layers. So I'm going to select both layers, and with the shift, and now Command E to merge, or layer merge. There we go, and now I can save this. Command Alt Shift S to save for web. Make sure it's a PNG file. Save, and I'm going to replace the outline right here. Outline at 3x. Save, replace, and now let's save the at 2x. Command Alt Shift X. I'm sorry, Command Alt Shift S. 67%, and save over the outline at 2x. Replace, and finally the outline, which is 33% here. Right, and saving the outline.png. Replace. All right, so now if I go back to Xcode, we are able to see them right here. Excellent. That's it.